Hello. There have been a number of reports about hacking in the news lately. The harmfulness of these attacks is increasing, and so are the financial and political impacts. It may come as a surprise, but most attacks do not start as a technically sophisticated attack. In fact, most successful data breaches and cyber incidents can ultimately be traced back to human error or carelessness. The vast majority of attacks starts with someone who clicks on an innocent-looking mail attachment or link, which turns out to be harmful. One misconception is that only big companies, organizations, or government agencies are attacked. Targeted attacks on companies with fewer than 1,000 employees, which typically have smaller security budgets, have risen significantly to include 61% of all attacks. If you think you're low in the hacker hierarchy and your company is irrelevant, think again. Taking over a low-level user account is often a good starting point for a much bigger and more serious attack. Here is some more bad news. You're at risk of being attacked if you use a device connected to the internet. With the increasing number of things that are connected to the internet, like coffee machines, heating systems, door locks, and even light bulbs, the risk substantially increases. The good news is that with a little training, the human error factor can be limited, and your software and hardware can be better protected. To prevent and protect yourself and your company from being hacked, you need to be familiar with some typical scenarios that hackers use. You will learn what social engineering is, how to distinguish between legitimate and illegitimate mail and attachments, what ransomware is, why using public Wi-Fi is dangerous, how to verify if a URL is trustworthy, how to use the internet securely, why keeping your software up to date is important, how to physically protect against attacks, and much more. I'm Alexander, and I interviewed a hacker. During this course, we will listen to this interview. From time to time, I will stop the interview and explain to you what the hacker says in detail. And I will also show you how to protect against specific threats, and even what you should do when you find out you've become a victim. Additional learning material is provided to deepen your learning experience and to allow you to delve into the topic more deeply if you wish. Before we start, we need to debunk what hackers look like and who they are. It's true that most hackers are between 20 and 30 years old. But hackers are not per se the bad guys. There are white hat hackers who uncover security loopholes to help close them, and black hat hackers who use those uncovered loopholes to take advantage of them. When we refer to hackers, cybercriminals, or hacking, we are talking about the black hat hackers. Also, hacking is much more than a hobby these days. The field has been professionalized, which means hackers might belong to organized gangs, your competitor, a foreign country. The list goes on. And most hackers don't wear hoodies or baseball caps. Their bad intentions range from financial gain to industry espionage to asserting political interests. You need to educate yourself to enjoy the benefits of modern life, be part of the modern workforce, and protect yourself and your employer from serious loss. I can't wait to get started.